Christa Ramey. And Christa, that motion was to distinguish between personnel complaints and citizen complaints against Derek Chauvin. And one of the reasons I want to get into this is because as our viewers watch, I want to make sure they understand why certain things are coming in, why they're not coming in, so they can truly get a real feel for how this trial is going and what the result is. So I want you to explain. You know, most people would say, well, why can't a jury know about the citizen complaints against this guy if he's got many and it looks like, similar to what happened to George Floyd? So why would a court rule that those can't come in?
They're part of the police officers' personnel records, and those personnel records are not admissible except for under certain sets of circumstances. The police department is not on trial here for failure to properly train him following these complaints. The people involved don't know about them as well as the events are unfolding. It amounts to character evidence, which is never admissible except for under rare circumstances. So you don't ever want a jury to get hung up on what happened in the past and then convict based upon that rather than the set of facts that are before the jury at this point in time, particularly when you're talking about taking away someone's liberty.
And it's important for folks to note that the judge has an obligation, of course, and a responsibility to the victim, but he also has a very serious responsibility to the defendant as well. Let's move on to the next one.